If you need to update or reconnect your Aura frame to Wi-Fi, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Start by opening the Aura app on your smartphone and selecting the specific frame from your main dashboard. Tap the settings icon, usually shown as a small gear in the top corner. Inside the settings menu, find the current Wi-Fi network name and select the option to change or reconnect the network. Choose your new Wi-Fi from the list and enter the correct password carefully. Most Aura frames work best on a 2.4 GHz network, although newer models can support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Once you tap Join or Save, the frame will begin reconnecting automatically. If your Aura frame won't connect, first double check the password and make sure the frame is within strong signal range of your router. Restart both the frame and your Wi-Fi router by unplugging them for about 30 seconds, then powering them back on. This clears temporary glitches and often restores connectivity. You can also forget the network inside the app and set the frame up again as a new device without losing your stored photos or contributors.